Edo Governor Gov Obaseki don't talk to the Office of the Inspector General of Police (IGP) don't issue warrant to arrest 60 People's Democratic Party (PDP) chieftains for Edo State, and them don't already arrest 10 persons and carry them go Abuja. Say the party don't meet and it be like say them not go sign the peace accord agreement between the gubernatorial candidates unless they bring back their members. Obaseki yarned this one when he received the chairman of the National Peace Committee (NPC) and former military Niger head of state General Abdul Salam Abubakar wey come visit the governor for Government House Benin City. The governor could talk say belle no sweet am at all with the way the All Progressive Congress (APC) don dey do for the state, and say the Niger police force they involve, they intimidate, they arrest people and they cause panic for the state. Obaseki con talk say the state don dey tense for the past 4 weeks as 10 chieftains and members of the PDP don dey arrested by APC and the Nigerian police force, and say im dey very worried say with the way things dey go for the state now, the party don meet and e be like say dem no go fit sign the peace agreement. The governor con talk say dis na the first time wey dem see the person wey suppose be the peacekeeper for the signing of the accord, and the person wey go enforce the peace accord don turn to active participant in creating destructive environment. E con still talk say for the IGP office, dem issue warrant to arrest 60 PDP supporters wey don make all the leaders run go hide, and say the IGP don turn im role as the chief security officer of the state to nonsense. Say with this kind of situation, how dem wan take sign the peace accord?
We were here in 2020 and very heated elections. You know, this is an off-cycle election and there's a lot of attention. But unlike 2020, I'm very worried. Very, very worried. Because from the developments and where we are today, I think my party met yesterday and we're not likely to sign this agreement. The person who is supposed to enforce peace, the peace accord, is now an active participant in creating a destructive environment. We've had situations where, from the Inspector General's office, there are armed gangs of policemen who have come into Edo State to just invade, arrest, and take away PDP members. As we speak, there are about 10 in detention in Abuja without trial. 2 days ago, they came to pick up a local government chairman. This man was going back home. He was attacked and shot at. And the police, he reported, and the police said he should come to give evidence. He came, they arrested him. And as I speak, he's in Abuja. Even if offenses were committed in Edo State, why would you not charge the offenses here and try them here? Why take them to Abuja? I mean, are these offenses of high treason? And then in Abuja, why not charge them to court in Abuja? The police, the IG's office came in and obtained warrants to arrest 60 PDP supporters. 60.
60.
Yes, they have the warrants. So all just essentially driving all our leaders into hiding. And for me, my role as the chief security officer is being made nonsense of by the IG. I heard somebody was arrested. The chairman was arrested. I called the commissioner. I said, please, I understand this has happened. Please look into it and let me know. He said, I'll come back to you, sir. And he just refused, he ignored me, didn't say anything. It was the next morning at 4 a.m., he moved that person to Abuja. And I said, speak the other. So, sir, how can we sign a peace accord? Why should we? Because clearly what they're saying is it's going to be a very violent election. And they're going to use the forces of coercion and intimidation to win the elections in Edo, whether we like it or not. That's the message. I'm glad the IG is in town. We say no until everybody arrested in Edo is released or brought back to Edo to be tried for whatever offenses you claim they've committed. We have no confidence that the police is going to protect us.
General Abdul Salam Abubakar said the reason why the peace committee come Benin City na to sign the peace accord between the gubernatorial candidates, and say it is necessary to ensure peace for the state.
So, Excellency, the purpose of the peace committee coming to Edo State is, I'm sure you must be aware, there is going to be a signing of peace accord between the gubernatorial candidates and the parties. That is to ensure that there is no mudslinging during the campaign, and then we accept the results as long as it is free and fair. And also, if there is any misgivings, the court should be there, but abide.
The signing of the peace accord go shele for 10 o'clock for morning on Thursday, 12 September 2024 for the Sir Victor Waifo Creative Hub for Airport Road, Benin City. Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.